In this video I am going to tell you how to design own website using Replit. So first of all, you need to open replit.com and you need to log in. You can log in with your existing Google account as well. So now after logging in, I need to press on this web app, then I need to write. So here I have written like design a professional looking website for me. I have pasted my LinkedIn profile. I am also adding some of my images. So let me upload my few images. So I added 2 images as well, and let's click on start chat. Let's see what it creates for me. So I do not need any coding skills to design a website, and Replit will do it for me, and I can do further changes with this as well. So you can see it is fetching my LinkedIn profile and background. So it is creating a website for me. So it is giving me 2 options. I will just first change the plan because it has selected wrong file for me. So I need to now click on start a design and click on start designing. So you can see it is creating a website for me. So it is also given me to build some functionality. So let's click on this build functionality. So you can see it has designed a beautiful website for me. You can see my photo is also there. I have not done any coding, and I can change these things later on, and I will change everything here. So you can see here there's a preview, you can see, and you can publish it from here. So it is very useful, and you can do further changes. If you want any changes, you can do it from here. I hope friends now you will be able to design a beautiful website using Replit. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.